Hello everyone and welcome to Burn Your Books, Open Your Mind. I am your friend and host BYBOYM and you are watching Foundation for NEET. We have already started with our first chapter in biology, that is life processes, digestion and absorption. Today we are going to begin with the third topic, that is autotrophic nutrition. We have already begun with what is nutrition in our last video. So in this video we are going to see what are modes of nutrition. The method of obtaining food by the organism is called the mode of nutrition. So how an organism obtain its food is called its mode of nutrition. Majorly there are two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition means these organisms produce their own food. They can do so by either using light energy. They are photoautotrophs. Example, most green plants, algae, purple, red and green bacteria, while others can use chemical conversions or chemical reactions to obtain energy. These are nitrifying bacteria, hydrogen bacteria, iron bacteria, sulfur bacteria, methane bacteria. Heterotrophs, on the other hand, are dependent upon others for their nutrition. Holozoic mode of nutrition is exemplified by amoeba and humans, which ingest their food wholly or completely. Saprotrophs, on the other hand, digest their food first externally to the body and then ingest the digested food material. Such as rotten wood, you will find fungus that digests the wood externally and then ingests the digested material. Parasites are those organisms which need a host to obtain their nutrition. Examples of plant parasites: total parasite, Cuscuta, and partial parasite, Centellum. Autotrophic nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, living organisms synthesize their food on their own with the help of either of the two processes, photosynthesis or chemosynthesis. They are called autotrophs. Example, plants, bacteria and cyanobacteria. So these are organisms which produce their own food either through photoautotrophic nutrition or chemoautotrophic nutrition. What are photoautotrophs? These are those organisms which utilize sunlight for preparing their own food. Green plants synthesize food through the process of photosynthesis and energy is provided in the form of sunlight. So you can see in the front of your screen that 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of water are required along with the energy. In the chloroplast, this reaction will happen and will produce 1 molecule of glucose, 6 of water and 6 molecules of oxygen. So you can see why green plants are very important, because they release oxygen through photosynthesis and utilize the carbon dioxide. Chloroplast is the structure. So if you see in a leaf, it is the chloroplast and cell organelle that is responsible for photosynthesis. It is the chloroplast inside which the photosynthesis happens. The photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll and it is present inside the chloroplast. In front of your screen you can see the structure of a typical chloroplast. Since it is a double membrane structure, you can see an outer membrane and an inner membrane, and between which is the intermembrane space. Stacks of thylakoid are arranged which are known as granum. Other than that, there is a fluid matrix which is the stroma. Chemoautotrophs, these are those organisms which utilize chemical energy for preparing their food. All chemosynthetic organisms use the energy released by chemical reactions to produce their sugar, but different species use different pathways. The vent bacteria or thermophiles oxidize hydrogen sulfide, while other bacteria make organic matter by reducing sulfide or oxidizing methane. Chemosynthetic bacterial communities, those bacterial communities that produce their food by using chemicals, have been found in hot springs, As you can see on the screen, this is the picture of Yellowstone National Park. On land, on sea floor, around hydrothermal vents, cold seeps, whale carcasses, as you can see on your right, and sunken ships that have sunk. Hope you like the video. You are watching Burn Your Books, Open Your Mind.